this is the Autobrush, and I'll be going over the specs and features and just some general information about this brush. Then I will let you guys know if any of this information even matters, because I'll be showing you how well it actually works, and then I'll be sharing my final thoughts. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is the Autobrush. It is a U-shaped brush. The biggest claim about this brush is that it can brush all of your teeth in 30 seconds. And specifically for the Autobrush, they claim that it cleans 27 times better than a manual toothbrush. Now, the brush itself comes in a couple of parts. The mechanism, the electric mechanism, as well as the mouthpiece. The mouthpiece comes in a couple of different sizes. There is a kid's size, and then there's also a small/women's size, as well as a regular size or men's size. So for this whole contraption, you pay $79 for starters, and then it goes up from there if you want to bundle with toothpaste or floss. They have a couple of other products. The actual brush also comes with a charging stand as well as a cable. Okay, so in terms of the brush itself, it comes in a couple of modes. There's some cool colors here. So there's a blue light. There's also a red light. I don't know if you can see it. And then there's a combination of blue and red. So the blue light is supposed to help with whitening, which right off the bat makes no sense to me, because technically the way a blue light works to help with whitening is it activates a whitening ingredient. So unless you actually put a whitening ingredient into the mouthpiece, aka hydrogen peroxide or carbamide peroxide, the blue light doesn't matter. It's not activating anything. So I'm having a hard time believing if anybody is out there reviewing this brush and saying that their teeth actually look whiter because of the blue light. It just makes me wonder, like, how truthful are they? Or maybe it's a placebo effect. But anyway, bottom line, I'm not sure about this blue light. And then the red light is supposed to be like red light therapy for your gums too. The wavelength of all these blue and red lights really matters. And my understanding is a true red light for red light therapy, because you have to get the right wavelength down and everything, it can actually be very expensive. So putting in a light that looks red in here and selling it for $79, I just don't know if this red light does anything. To be honest, I haven't tried this brush yet, so I'm not really sure if it helps with anything, but that's my initial impression on the light features. So the other feature is this mode selection right here. So it comes in a couple of different colors. There's the blue for deep clean. There's red, which stands for massage. And then green stands for care mode. I'm not sure what that means. I think it's just the general standard mode. And then there's a little check mark here. Not sure if you can see the colors, but there's a green check mark, which stands for 30 seconds. Then a blue check mark stands for 60 seconds. And then red is for 90 seconds. So that's, oh my gosh. Okay, so that's pretty much it on all the features. Let's see how well it actually works. Use some toothpaste here. I got the bubblegum fluoride flavor. Not sure how I feel about this toothpaste because it actually contains nano silver. I'm not super familiar with this ingredient, but I did some research and there's kind of mixed findings on nano silver itself. Silver is antimicrobial, but the nanoparticles, some researchers aren't super excited about putting that in our bodies, but so you're supposed to put a couple of squirts. And then on the other side too. And then choose your setting. I'll go with the standard green care mode for 30 seconds. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's not fitting. Gross. The flavor's not bad, but that was a very messy experience. Oh my gosh, there's spit everywhere. Okay. Oh wait, let me open it. Eee. Okay, moment of truth. Let me check it up close in the bathroom. Wait a minute. Okay guys, honestly, I was expecting this to be a complete joke. I'm surprised. It did a lot better than I expected. Now, I'm still a little bit skeptical because this may be because I just brush my teeth very well on a regular basis, so I didn't accumulate a lot of plaque over time. So I think I want to try this toothbrush for a week and get back to you guys.
1 week later.
All right, guys, false alarm. I couldn't even last a whole week. Check out my teeth after just 2.5 days of using the Autobrush exclusively. So you can see the dark blue little rims forming along the gum line of my teeth, as well as the pink starting to creep up the sides of my teeth on the inside here. So they almost fooled me, but I'm glad I tried it out for a couple more days. I guess I just didn't have a lot of plaque to begin with, so that's why I got this false reading of like, wow, it's actually doing a good job. It's not, as I predicted from the get-go. I mean, I don't think I even showed you in the beginning here, but check out these bristles. They're just like these rubber silicone things. Okay, how is that supposed to get under the gums and brush where it's most important? I don't even know how they possibly can truthfully claim that their Autobrush brushes 27 times better than a manual toothbrush. Makes me wonder how they're getting their results. Maybe they're considering that the Autobrush can brush all the teeth at once while the manual can only brush a couple of teeth at a time. So maybe their math shows that the Autobrush reaches more teeth at a time than the manual, but it definitely does not brush 27 times better than a manual brush, considering that you're using a manual toothbrush correctly. So please don't buy yourself one of these. There's no cutting corners with taking care of your teeth. Brush with a manual or an electric. Make sure that you're getting all the way around all of your teeth, but this is not a way to brush your teeth thoroughly and effectively. Well, if you guys have any other questions about this product or any others or any other dental questions, feel free to comment them below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of your teeth.